Hey guys, so before we start today's lift tour, which was like I had to postpone because I had exams, so I didn't and I found out that this lift tour wasn't really to be published yet, so yeah, apologies for the delay. And the second thing I also want to say is the lift tour you are about to see has been like 6 years in the making, which because some of the footage you're gonna see from this lift tour, I took all the way back in 2016. In fact, I was editing it also editing parts of it in 2017 as well. So a lot of it is gonna be kind of cringy and dated. I don't know if it's it's an autism thing, but yeah, this is probably gonna be one hell of a mashup of all my different editing styles and different tones of my voices, because between 2016 and 2022 I've gone through puberty and high school, and yeah, this is just gonna be a very insane ride. I've set this as a premiere as I intended it to be, and oh yeah, this is just gonna be a one of my most strangest lift tours ever, but also one of the ones that I'm very glad to put out, because it's gonna cover 6 years of changes of the elevators at Queensgate Shopping Centre. So yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, let's just dive into it.
So lift these exclusive your
Yeah, these are
the guided lift.
lift. Yes. Yeah, I want to aim for some reason. It's lift tour time, and it is also a premiere tour time. But sadly, it's also a generic tour time. This is Queensgate Shopping Centre, which is 100% generic lift. So now we go to the first generic lift, which is an Otis lift that goes between the food court levels up to Bed Bath & Beyond. So ground floor is the lower food court, level 1's upper food court, level 2 is Bed Bath & Beyond. And this has a Gen 2 look to it. Yeah, I think it has a Gen 2 model, I think it's MRL. Let's ride it.
This is the first which you can go, oh dear, not just fun, but hear this. Oh my gosh, the oldest James done. Oh my gosh, yes, you know, let's go 2. Okay, 2's off, it's 1. Have you? Yeah, lightning, tiling. Oh, you're longer than button go out. Oh, okay, going down, I guess.
Are you coming off?
No, I'm going down
Okay,
to.
let's go.
Let's go ground. And oh dear, indicator burned out. Indicator isn't working. Anyways, that specialist fan light. Oh, emergency telephone thingy.
It's down.
Yeah, it's locked. Better go out again. Yep, this is an Otis Gen 2, even though it has Gen configuration with button. Hear the charm again? Yep, that's your charm. Watch go. Actually, let's send it up. Yeah, let's send it up. Anyways, watch it go, and watch it go. And that's it. Anyways, try not to get anyone on camera. Okay, this is the lift. And what's your convert? Let's go down. Here is the lift. Oh, nothing changed. 2's up ground. It's weird, nothing's changed from this. Oh, let's get out of that. Oh. And down here, oh, just its usual self. Anyways, it go. Oh well, let's watch it go.
We might do the shopping over yeah.
Watch it go. That's it.
Okay, so here's the small lift in 2020, because yeah, obviously I haven't photographed it for a while, and I'm looking at videos on
This is apparently an Otis Gen 2 from 2004, but you don't recognize it as an Otis Gen 2 because it's got generic fixtures. Here is the lift. Except, yeah, there's something different on the inside of the lift, actually. The floor indicator works. In fact, the floor indicator now works. It hasn't even been working for at least, this is the first time it's been operational in like 12 years as well. Also, we got 2. Actually, that gives it away. That's an Otis Gen 2, by the way. Apparently we get out here. We're not going to get out because of that. Let's go back to grounds. Yeah, the floor indicator works. And yeah, except this I'm just starting to get into an interesting state. But yeah, let's watch it go and that's it. Escalator was broken. I wonder why that is. Yes. Why things are always broken though? Why? And there's some more stories, but they're just made by Otis. Just not season Otis. And those ones don't also made by Otis. Oh dear. I'm very, very disappointed. And the new one is Gen 2.
And now we go to the first 2 services, which are sadly unable to film, so I have seen them before. Apparently, if you go down the weird corridors, like to the toilets and past them, there is a Schindler 3300 service lift with the brand new FIGS fixtures, and it was actually the first one I actually saw in New Zealand. Wow. And not going to mention the other one because it's undisclosed information. Now we go to farmers, and lift also is a generic lift, except this one is hydraulic. And this lift goes between ground and 1 and has that awesome nice indicator, but sadly it's been replaced in 2017. Oh dear. And one of these lifts actually replaced something else. So firstly, let's take a look at this lift before the indicator got replaced.
Okay, this is the lift in farmers. Look! Like keep it on. And now, this is in farmers. I'm not going to moving it belongs to a shop. And it says lifts up there, but there's only one. That's weird. Let's call it. Okay, I'm trying to talk over the music so I don't get a copyright strike, so blah 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 blah. Okay, yeah, it's really weird, this lift. And yeah, that's it. And here's the lift. Wait, where's the chime? Oh dear, it's Sheffield.
It's actually going around.
Oh my gosh, this used to be nice.
I think you got notifications once you sort of
What's that? Capacity is 70%, what is 6,000 kilograms?
I must say, Maddie and Kate, if there is, they go like.
Oh, that's
Also,
your...
because
Let's go. Before we go on, let's take a look at the... hold the door, please.
what do you want us to do, Daniel?
Oh, the indicator's fixed. This is the chime. Never mind. Let's go down to... Let's just go down. And look at the indicator. It says Westfield Queensgate there. Even though it's not Westfield Queensgate anymore. It's Queensgate Shopping Centre. Duh.
Rip your skirt. Yeah, it's not my idea of. I don't think I would do it.
But I would do it in the morning. I'd do it in
dear
the
generic
afternoon, I'd do it in
voice.
the evening.
Don't know what went wrong there. And
I'd do it.
yep.
So that it
Let's
wouldn't
go. Maybe not because don't want to get a copyright strike, and that's it.
And here is the lift after the mod, and it now looks so friggin' basic. Very disappointing, except it gets more basic than you
The
think.
store was getting refurbished. The cinema was closed.
In fact, something happened in this lift too. Yeah, cabs are saying running time savers. What the? Okay, what just happened to the indicator? You should have seen that glitch back there. Going down the ground, look at the indicator, which is practically new. Same capacity, just the indicator's changed. Here we have ground. Oh yeah, and then, oh yeah, I think they're refurbishing up here too. And then it's still not fixed. Let's go back up. Let's go to 1. Okay, why does it still say going up? Indicator failure. Oh, now it's got the point. Indicator fails. Oh, you ever seen this? It's just so incredible to see these. Okay, so watch the lift go down. Indicator fail. Haha. Okay, try to talk over here so I don't get copyright claims. I'm gonna try not to include some of the farms, but says as good as possible. And it goes, and that's it.
Okay, the chime is the same, except look at the inside. This is basically Wolfie. The spookiness! It's gone! The light's been fixed and now doesn't look spooky anymore. Oh dear. Well, this lift is now got basic down. So this lift is no longer very interesting anymore, which is very, very disappointing. Anyways, after that biscuit, let's go to some Caesar Otis escalators. Yes, made from Japan. Let's ride them. Caesar Otis. Caesar Otis. My Japanese edition of Otis more like.
It's coming to the end of the season.
And that was your Caesar Otis escalator. And it's downward ride edition for Caesar Otis escalators. And young one. And this one is Nos. Oh no! What has happened here? The Caesar Otis blade is gone. It's been taken away. Oh no. And here is the service of which is just an age student and seller wasn't able to get photos of the inside of it. Well, I actually had the chance to accept a member of staff came out. And yes, we will be back after the break. Did you want to see your old chair lift in 2019, except it had been replaced or modernized? Well, Animation Lifts have you covered. Call owner 67000 to get your package of the thing. Just install some Photoshop or paint thing. I don't give it. So, Animation Lift, we currently have it since 2019. Warning, no package included. Make sure you get something off the internet because we don't give a do Animation Lifts. And now we return to Queensgate Shopping Centre lift tour. And now we go to H&M, a nice store that opened in 2017. And the lift is a Schindler 500. And to fit with the generic theme, it uses Dewhurst or Everbright fixtures and a generic indicator. Wow, this lift's so good. And this lift has floor 1U. What is 1U? Just the upper floor, floor 1 apparently. Anyways, and the indicator on the ground floor is already broken too. The indicator's broken already. This little piece indicator. Shouldn't be repair this. This is a 500 though.
But if you want to do, like you said, put the pants
You won. And this is 6 hours or 21 persons. And it's. Yes, it is. Fun. And that is what the inside looks like. Really?
will race you down. Come on, Toy.
Wait, are we going down to just floor 1?
Yeah.
at a time. How long will it take to go from U1 to 1? 1, 2, 3, 6. That's crazy. Yeah, that's for sure kind of long. We'll go 0. Some great lights. Sound like a yacht. I see 1,600 kgs or 21 persons.
And now to some exquisite Schindler escalators, which are kind of okay.
Elena, I'll be going back down just for a bit. So a bit. Whatever that was.
This is yet another traveller. Oh, they already crossed it. Oh, never mind. Those guys are great. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That's just incredibly weird. Wow. That is like an incredibly weird traffic light. Oh my gosh. Never seen anything like that before, man. Okay, those guys. Wait, and... those guys. Okay, I get the point. So now those guys are priority to go. Oh, it's changing. And look at that. See, it changes to green for that, and then the other thing is, look. It's just like the last one, but it's got an extra panel. That is like incredibly weird. Like, I've never seen anything like this before, and goes in that end, goes out, and those guys are about three little ponies. Because look, that is right up there. Oh my gosh, that end, green, it's got 2 digits. Incredibly weird. Nothing like I've seen that before, and yes, that's it.
And now to the main lift in the shopping centre, which is the oldest hydraulic lift. And this lift has some really interesting things done to it. Apparently, it used to have like one of those old generic indicators, like from like the one in Farmers before it got replaced. And now then it had the indicator replaced, sadly, in 2013. And this lift used to actually have 2 doors, but now it only has 1. That is a very interesting layout. And because of that, they had to shift the panel. And all this happened in 2017. And let's take a ride at it in 2017.
This is the main lift and lift alarm. Oh wow, let's go. Oh dear, we lost it. Let's call it. And again. Maintenance. Yeah. Oh look. If we scroll out. Look how wide that door is. Anyways, do not use this to identify, we all know that. And guess what it is? Yeah, right. Wait for the lift to come. Yup, it's another horror generic. Really hate these generics. Oh, and now, oh well, at least they have that voice. Wait a moment, it doesn't anymore. No. Anyways, let's go to 2. It doesn't line up. They can't say Latin. Mr. Security there, I'm not actually filming anyone. My priority. Oh my gosh. Oh, I get it. I didn't press 2 and I accidentally sent it up to 1. Capacity for those 43%. Lightning talent. Better go out.
Get some of that stuff, don't we? Should we go and buy something and give this to you?
What exactly did I hear? Just me, maybe it was me. Anyways, we are not getting out on front. We're just looking at the panel on the first floor. And that's it. And now let's go up to Mom, we're going up. And door closed and then we're going back down to ground. Anyways, let's watch the indicator this time. Used to say Westfield Queensgate, but it doesn't anymore. It takes ages to level. And this is the second floor. We are going down to this is at the second floor, and we are going back down to ground. Mom, and let's go down to ground and in there. Sorry, the video. Oh, one. You are located at. They actually covered up the Westfield Queensgate part, and
Okay, right.
someone.
I think we're heading to ground.
Please.
We're heading to level 2.
No, we're not. Hey, you guys going up to 2 or ground?
We're going down.
Oh. Oh, well, at least we get. And. Not getting those guys on camera.
Daniel, get this boy, push it up to the box. Can you push it? Daniel's very keen on this.
Sending.
Are we going down?
Yeah.
Who are at the ground floor?
Come on, James, with us.
Right, now Daniel, just step into the
Shift.
Are we going out now?
Yup, we are. And. Mom, we're going out. And we are. What? Let's watch it go. And let's watch the lift go up. And then that'll be it. Homogeneous indicator. And there it is on the second floor. And that's it.
Welcome, guys. This is the lift. 224 elevators got stuck in this lift, maintained by Shin. It's Junior, and it looks like it's running well, except I'm not sure about this. Nothing going to other people, so it should be okay. So yeah, this is apparently a T1 run. It's got stuck in, and yeah, this is actually what happened when Junior got there. It's maintained by Shinra. This actually really should be a traction. MRL comes to think that not a hydraulic. Yeah, this lift is actually an ace unit that got slapped. They got a slap and what? It's actually a bit some changes done to it. I mean, personally, just get this door down there, but let's go there. Yeah, we'll not go up to 2 because yeah. It is all 40
Oh,
feet.
oh yeah.
No, it's okay.
Sorry.
I'll just walk up.
So you're going to stay here? I'm not
Yeah.
coming here.
Huh?
No, you're
Going
not.
out.
No.
Oh,
That's
okay.
why I have plans for down here.
Makes more sense to me now. Okay.
Can't be very anxious.
That's okay.
I got one.
Communicated very well. Is this where we're going? Or you're going to the top?
I'm going to stop.
And next room, I just go
Yes.
from them, I spoke to him, he spoke to me about this and blah blah blah.
Yeah.
It's just that one person.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure she did it with Chris as well when I was there. Like if I would say something,
I
I'm pretty
fixed
sure she
it.
would say it to Chris, but he
HK's
didn't
been
talk back.
fixed. That's good. I would say.
Oh, she did go
Round. Okay, so there's the bar going upwards, but going downwards. That does not sound good. Why is this lifted generic? Should be MOL or generic fixtures. What the freak? Yay, I didn't get tracked, Mr. Security. You know what happened to the elevator photographer who came here? Well, I'm sorry I didn't get tracked myself because that's what we're doing. And good thing they fixed the indicator because, yeah, on level 1 and 2 it just did a weird square thing, so that's it.
And here are some more Caesar Otis escalators, which are pretty okay. Oh yeah. Wait, there's work calls. And now we go to the Queensgate Tower, which are some more generic lifts. So these ones replace some old lifts, and that means these lifts are not Gen 2s with duos, even though they look alike. These are the lifts in the Queensgate Tower. It's called. Here is our lift. It's being refurbished. So let's go to 6. We can go to 5. Lightning top. Cab. It is being redone. Capacity 1 has
No,
for
they're
16
doing removals
persons.
or something, or alterations.
I guess so too. I think this used to be an old lift and now it's been modernised. How disappointing.
Looks alright. It's a bit rough.
Yeah, floor 5, and if you take a look at here, there is a PI on every floor.
You don't
So we can't go to.
get out.
We can go to B1. That's odd. Just go to B1.
Car park.
Yeah. So with B1's unlocked.
It's probably part of the Queensgate complex.
Yeah, 6 is not unlocked, not locked. Here we are. B. It says B1. Yep. That's a car. Yep, it's a car park, alright, and there's your. Yeah, I guess. Just go to ground. It calls it B1, except it's actually called ground.
No, the one above it is ground. That was basically that was alright, wasn't it?
Yeah. Then we can go through there to get to the shopping mall. And that's it. And now we go to what used to be the event cinemas, except it's now gone. And the lift up to the event cinemas has also gone. So rest in peace those Gen 2s which have generic which got there. Thankfully, I have a video of these lifts which is very good. So let's take a look at these lifts. These lifts go from ground floor, which is low amount, runs up amount, then levels 2 is like the cinema lobby, and then level 3 are the cinemas.
Okay, this is the lift going up to the cinema. So the first floor is another Otis Gen 2. Even though it has the milk It is. And
It was she hadn't done what Hannah said she was going to do, which was just
it keeps repeating the chime. Go to 3.
in the
Oh, same
sand
cabin,
box.
same. Oh, 7 kilograms, 21 person. Oh, dear indicator burns
She had
out.
been trained up.
Don't ask me why. It is on the first floor. 2 and bunker.
Maybe she was bursting and she couldn't run.
Here we are, level 3.
Wait, but the
This
gate was up and
is-
she was in the front garden, maybe.
And let's take a look on level 3. That is the main lift box over there. Yeah, off a car, don't ask me what's here. And here's the server. And guess what? That is what it's like inside the service lift. See, that's the indicator, your buttons, and it's made by Otis. It's so weird, like, so weird I could get inside the service lift, but yet again, you can't go anywhere. Oh, that's the line and the tiling. Never mind, that's the cab you've got, and let's go back down the lift. And oh dear, it's going down the ground. Oh, that's the service lift. Yeah, you really need to put the RFID card over there rather than over here, you know? Yeah, really where that is. And it's here are the curtains. Yeah, really where that is. Oh my. Oh, and that lift opens into the arcade. Here's the lift. And again, Mom, the lift. Sorry about that. It keeps repeating the chime. Anyways, I'll take the whole door open.
Sorry.
And
Do you think so?
Yeah, she has to.
go down the left. Oh well. Here's the motor. Oh my gosh! I'm on Are we on the ground floor? Oh my gosh, we're on the first floor. Let's go
Yeah, we've
down.
had enough of the lift now.
Oh, that's the panel on the first floor? Let's go down. Yeah, and again. Yeah, that might sound like a European Otis voice. Yeah, I can't stand that any longer. Whole generic fixtures. This isn't always Gen 2, just...
Finished, Daniel?
Yeah, and that's it.
Sad I wasn't able to ride the East Coast and event cinemas, so let's ride the Travelator.
But the Travelator has changed direction. Oh, very interesting. And this is like Caesar Otis, Japanese, Chinese version of Otis, which is very interesting. Oh, there are abandoned escalators, which is very interesting. Yeah, this is a very and very slow too, which is that is not good at all. You know what? This is why. Actually, Trevor's actually known as me. That one is moving more. So that one broken, so it's a ramp.
Welcome back. This is 2022 me, and yeah, just wanted to just let you know that this is like the extent of like the dated stuff, like footage from 6 years ago. The footage you're about to see I actually took this year, and it's actually the new lift that is going to go up to the rebuilt event cinemas. And unlike all of the other lifts in Queensgate Shopping Centre, which were like a range of different elevators, but they all had generic Everbright fixtures, this lift is a Schindler 5500, and it actually has FIGS, or actually as now known is Linear 100, because Schindler now have probably going to have the 5000, 1000, and 3000 in the future. So yeah, it's actually shocking to actually see a lift at Queensgate that doesn't have generic fixtures. And it's also nice to see it has a handicap panel as well. So yeah, here is the new lift. At the time of recording this, it doesn't go up to level 2 yet, but it is still operational. And yeah, so here it is.
New elevator at Queensgate used to be a Gen 2 here, but now it's a 5500, and the first lift that doesn't use generic fixtures. Big. That's nice. Can't go to 2 because I don't think 2's open, so let's go to 1. 4,590 kgs or 19 persons. This was open last year, but I've only now just gone around to filming it. Go down the ground. And this is a signal we've seen disabled lift panel, the other time being Wakefield Hospital. We got ground. So what you do is just press that. Yeah, 2's not open because event cinemas isn't open yet. At the time I'm recording this is April, so yeah, I don't think it's open yet, but probably open soon. Here we are at the first floor. I wonder why it's got that RFID thing. Maybe it's to lock up the lift when it's not in use. So yeah, well, that's it.
And what is pictured right over here is probably going to be the service lift, which also is going to go up to the cinemas. I don't know if it is interesting because it's not. I don't know if it's going to share the same floors as the last one. In fact, as of the time of making this and the time it's being posted, I don't know if there's actually going to be another lift going up to the cinemas themselves, or if this is going to be a mixed use of. But yeah, this is the service lift. The time of photographing it, it's not quite in service yet, and I'm probably not going to be able to ride it because it is locked off by a key card. But yeah, that is pretty much the tour, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed literally just seeing all those different editing styles and tone stuff I've had over the years. I'm shocked that I'm actually managed to build a community around me with YouTube. So yeah, thanks so much guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like this video, consider giving the thumbs up, and if you haven't unsubscribed, then maybe consider doing so. But yeah, I'll see you all in the next video.